when I am in the deep void stage during meditation, what is that?
Depends if you're sleeping in your meditation, you're in deep sleep state. But if you are awake and aware, then it is the deep sleep, but without going to sleep.
Okay.
Like if you remember when Ranjini was talking, she was talking about the waking state. I'm aware and I see these arisings. Those are the waking state. With awareness, alertness, the arisings also settle and there is nothing. That is the deep sleep state. So why do we do meditation? We do meditation really to get a glimpse of what it is to be in Brahman, or as a stepping stone in Turiya. The fourth state, where there is no waking, where there is no dreaming, or there is no deep sleep state. It is all the arisings have settled, yet there is absolute aliveness, consciousness, awareness in its full glory. But it is not deep sleep, it is not waking, and it is not dreaming. There are no arisings. So, consciousness in its full glory is tasted many times in meditation, but people don't understand it, nor do the teachers explain it enough for the sadhak to get it, that the meditation was only a glimpse. Now you have to attempt to get to this in open-eyed daily routine. The moment you restrict it to meditation only, then it becomes a relaxation therapy. I just go and do meditation to get out of from this problem with my spouse. 20 minutes the problem is not there, but when I come back into the same drama. I'm suffering. So that's where the path of meditation suffers, when it is not explained that this needs to be carried to the open-eyed daily life. Yeah.
So what about if and when I reach Shunyata in the Buddha stages of meditation? Is Shunyata the Brahman?
Correct. Shunyata is that state where consciousness is in its full glory, alive, conscious, and there are no arisings. All the arisings have settled down. But you are not ignorant of your state. So you're not in a deep sleep, like in the night kind of deep sleep state. You're not snoring. You're completely aware, but zero arisings. All the arisings at a zero level. We can say like that. Yeah?
Okay.
That is Shunyata.